Hey there, my name is Carrie. I am a makeup artist by trade. However, this video is going to be more about weight loss. In transparency, I have done pretty much every weight loss program there is since my mid-20s. I have done Weight Watchers, I have done South Beach, I have done Atkins, I have done The Zone, I have done Nutrisystem, I have done the Hollywood juice cleanse, I've done raw vegan, and currently the way that I eat is generally vegan. I do eat fish, but I have not had any red meat or pork in my diet since 1991, and I haven't had any eggs or dairy or chicken or turkey since 2010. And somehow magically, I am up 20 pounds at the weight, not even my goal weight, just the weight that my body feels comfortable at. So I am really fighting the battle of the bulge, so to speak, right now. So I'm going to thank 2024 for that. My dad passed away, and I feel like I had COVID last year in December in 2023. And I lost a bunch of weight. And so as of right now, I'm almost like 18 pounds heavier than I was last year at this time, which is alarming. I looked at Weight Watchers, and of course, Weight Watchers is now in the semaglutide game. And Ozempic is buzzing around. Of course, I work in the beauty and fashion industry, so everyone's talking about Ozempic. And I have been really reticent about exploring options to use that product. I do have a lot of friends who've had tremendous success on Ozempic, and I've also had some friends who have not, been able to handle it. So the man that I'm currently dating has quite a bit of weight to lose. He wants to lose, I think, between 80 and 100 pounds. And he asked me a few weeks ago if I would be willing to do Ozempic with him. Now, that's a big ask, I think. But not an unreasonable one when you're talking about your weight all the time and talking about how uncomfortable and miserable you are. And I am a firm believer of someone who don't complain unless you're willing to change it. And even then, don't complain. So I started to explore it. I went online, and you can obviously buy it from hers.com. You can also get it from weightwatchers.com. It's about, I don't know, it depends, anywhere between $165 and $269 a month for this drug, unless your insurance will pay for it. If your BMI is at a certain level, insurance will cover it, but I think it's quite high. And it's about $1,200 a month without your insurance paying for the medicine. I decided if I was gonna do this, I was gonna do it under a doctor's supervision. I just feel safer that way, being monitored, getting my thyroid checked, making sure that the weight is coming off in the right way, or at the right rate, I guess. I've had friends who've lost 4 pounds a week on it, which is alarming. Anyway, I went to my doctor this week. We spoke about it. She said my BMI, or my body mass index, is not at a level where insurance will cover it. So it's either pay $1,200 a month for Ozempic as the name brand, or she does have one compound pharmacy, and that means that they make it in-house, that she trusts, that was recommended to her by an endocrinologist. And it gets delivered to your house in a syringe that you take once a week. So I just want to make sure everybody is familiar with that difference. Ozempic is actually the pharmaceutical brand name. It comes in a pen, I guess mostly used for people with diabetes or in a diabetic range. And Wegovy, I guess, is the product that they use more for weight loss, but a lot of compound pharmacies will make their own version of a semaglutide or a GLP-1. And this particular place, called the Chemist Shop, located in Astoria, Queens, actually manufactures it. And today they delivered it to me. I have not injected myself with it yet. I'm waiting to do that until tomorrow. I think I want Sunday to be the day where I actually do my injections. And you're supposed to do it once a week, the same day, every week. And then I guess once you lose the weight you want to lose, then you go into the maintenance portion of this program system trajectory with your doctor. I'm recording this journey because I feel like there's a lot of information out there. I'm sure there's a lot of people who are at the beginning of the year having resolutions about losing weight, potentially going on Ozempic. And I just thought, for my own mental health, this would be a good place for me to share my thoughts, how it's working, how I'm feeling about it, and hopefully create either a community or get some other feedback from any of you who have had experience with this medication. I do encourage you all to leave comments, let me know any thoughts that you have, but please, please do not just leave mean comments just for leaving mean comments. Like, there's enough hate in this world. We don't need to clog up my feed with idiotic statements. I know we're talking about weight loss. I know it's a free country. I know anybody can say whatever they want to say, but I really try to create an environment that is sweet and loving and full of gratitude. And I really try to keep the haters at bay. So if you have a comment, you don't have to like it. That's fine, but just don't be mean for the sake of being mean. Anyway, I'm sure I'm going to continue to post every couple of days to let you know how it's going, how I'm feeling, side effects, etc. I've heard all of it, from nausea to diarrhea to constipation to heartburn to made me feel sick to my stomach. I've been throwing up to I had great success and just ate hummus for 6 months. I don't think that's a great plan either. Definitely need to work out because it affects your muscle mass. Definitely need to drink a lot of water because it dehydrates you, and you need to eat a lot of protein. So that's what I know. That's my plan. That's my strategy. And we're going to see how this goes together. Please leave any comments you want below. I'm sure I'm going to be posting a couple times a week, I guess, just to let you know how my journey's going and what's happening. And thank you for joining me on this journey. So I'll see you soon. Bye.